Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in exploring Google Slides using your computer. Once you have launched Google Slides from your Google Drive, you can begin creating your presentation. First, give your Untitled presentation a name. Type on the Untitled presentation box the name of your presentation. After you typed the name of your presentation, click anywhere on the slide. Let us explore your Google Slides page. Your presentation slides consist of basic parts. On the top left of your presentation, find the title bar. It shows your presentation name, the star icon, the move icon, and the status icon. When the star icon is clicked, it classifies your presentation as starred. Once a presentation is starred, the star icon turns yellow. The presentation is placed on the starred folder in your drive for easy access. When the move icon is clicked, you can move the presentation to another folder in your drive. The move icon opens into a menu of folders. Choose the folder where you wish to move the presentation. When the folder is highlighted in blue, click the blue Move button. The status icon shows the status of the presentation. The status of this presentation shows the changes saved to Drive, but is not ready for offline use. On the top right of your presentation, find the comment history icon, the present icon, the share icon, and your Google account icon. The comment history icon shows the comments made by you or your collaborators on the presentation. The present icon allows you to switch to presentation mode. The share icon is used to select the settings when you share the presentation to specific persons or to all who can access it. Your Google account icon allows you to manage your Google account, such as changes to your profile pictures, passwords, and others. Below the title bar is the presentation ribbon. The presentation ribbon consists of the different tabs and the command button. You can find the next tutorial video on setting the theme and layout of your Google Slides using your computer. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.